usually get strawberries, but these look so good. Pink berries. Have to try her. These are my favorite. I wish they were organic, but they're so good that I don't care.
It's chilly in here. They're still moving.
What the heck? Bird flu.
What do I want to make for breakfast?
My favorite snack. Love to put these little microgreens on my avocado toast. An Air One bag at Trader Joe's. A fraud. What are you gonna? I got dark chocolate chip for my banana pancakes in the morning and some chomps for snacks. This is my favorite milk right now, is the coconut milk. So healthy.